Hello, Salad Master lovers! Another day, another client! Delivery today! With Tita Lorenza. It's okay. It's another professional set for our beloved Salad Master lover client, Ate Yol. Nag-add po siya na additional collections. Say hi to the netizens.
Addiction na sa
Certified Salad Master lovers. Ayan, guys. Tapos, ito pa. Ayan, guys. Nagluto kami kanina ng grilled cheese sandwiches using this square griddle na ubos na. Pero I'll show you the video sa comment section. Less than 10 minutes, guys. Tapos kami. Ang sarap. Mozzarella lang tsaka cheddar cheese. So, yun. So, if you have any question, guys, about Salad Master, just DM us at Salad Master Lover by I'm Bading It or message me. We'll give you a free healthy cooking session. And we'll also assist you with the Salad Master. Either you go to our office at Bennett Salad Master PH head office or we'll visit you at your home. Parang ganito, sa beautiful home nila ate. Look at that. Yan lang. God bless everyone. Bye. Happy home cooking. Lagang ebon, kahit 1 dozen kasha. Waterless. Lagang saba, kamote. Dito, this starch rice. Steamer din siya. Degreaser din ho siya ng meat. Dito may water, tapos nandito yung ground beef, kunwari, or ground pork, buri mo yung palwan taba, or longganisa, or tang food color na buri tayong lako. Yan. 3 quarts with 2.5 perforated bass. 2 quarts, kahit konting adobo. 2 cups of rice, pwede nang dito. 1 cup of rice. Yes! Pagkatapos mong gamitin, kung ayaw mo itong gamitin, at ito yung gusto mo lang, pwede naman. Adobo. Pag maramihan na, nilaga, sinigang, yan. 7 quarts. And then ito, pwede ka rin mag-fry dito na chicken without or using induction stove mo na pagkaganda-ganda doon. At medium to low fire lang po. Mabilis magluto, nakita mo, miski doon sa electric stove mo, doon sa square griddle mo. Pag nag-ihaw ka, hindi na mag-uusok dito sa napakagandang bahay mo. Okay? Centralized. Okay, hindi po nag-usok dito. Kanina nagluto kami. Guys, nagluto kami kanina dito. At ang paghuhugas, madali lang ho, babad lang ho yan. Basta meron ka lang mozzarella cheese, bread, and cheddar cheese. Meron ka ng grilled cheese sandwiches. May ako, send yung video. So, thank you, Salad Master Lover. She's been our client. Started last year and she added up her investment ng set. Congrats to our client. Yan. So, kapag Salad Master Lover ka na, or user ng cookware, hindi ka na maghahanap pa ng ibang cookware pa. Kasi, syempre, ayaw mong bumalik sa aluminum cookware, sa Teflon, because it releases microplastics and toxic metals and chemicals from the other cookwares. Kahit hindi na non-stick yung ibang cookware, malaki ho yung pinagkaiba ng Salad Master versus the other cookwares. To find out about this, to know more about this, you can chat me. We will try to share to you and educate to you what's the science of Salad Master behind this beautiful cookware. Bakit siya naging best cookware brand sa People's Choice Excellence Award, Asia Pacific, and it's a doctor's recommended cookware po. So, it helps us with lifestyle diseases or you just want to live healthier po. Pwede po tayong tulungan ng cookware na ito. So, marami kayong matututunan na recipes. Ayan. Kuya Joseph, gusto mo bang pakita sa video paano yung space saver tayo? Diba? Kunwari, guys, sabi na, ang dami naman ng cookwares. Paano kung little space lang? So, tingnan nyo, it's stackable. O, yan. Na, pakita muna natin. O, diba? Professional set lang yan, ha? Look at that. That's a 7 quart. Tapos, meron siya naman sa loob, right? Yung pinakamaliit dun sa loob, guys. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung lid niya. Pwede mo siyang, lapat na lapat mo siya. So, that's the professional set, guys. Tingnan mo. O, diba? Space saver po siya. Hindi po siya makakakonsume ng malaking space. Tapos, yung mga handles po kasi, dahil detachable, talagang makaka-space save tayo. Pwede mo rin siyang serving dish or servingware. So guys, you will learn a lot more about Salad Master features, advantages, and benefits if you will message us or if you come and visit our office or attend our free culinary class. So, we will have a free culinary class on Saturday, 5 p.m. To join us, just DM me kung gusto nyo sumali, gusto nyo manood ng cooking class. There will be a free dinner, free cooking class on Saturday, 5 p.m. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. God bless everyone. Guys, hello Salad Master lovers. We're cooking today with Tita Lorenza and Tita Lo. We're grilling sandwiches. Cheese sandwiches, mozzarella and cheddar cheese sandwiches. Ganito lang yan sa Salad Master using our square griddle. You have the burner, you can do it so. Okay. Yeah, pancakes, French toast. Pag gusto mag-grill ng meat, ng vegetables, ng fish, you can do it so. May gooey yung cheese dito kasi mara-flip this. So, yung mozzarella talagang yung, alam niyo yun, yung parang bubble gum style.
Para kapag shake is gano'n.
Yeah. This is by your mom. Look at that cheese, oh. Guys, look at that. Pero alam mo, medium to lo. Binabakot nung medium ko, niloko pa ulit. Kasi kahit no to, pwede. Parang yung sa coin. Yung Japanese coin. Amazing! Less than 10 minutes, you have that grilled cheese sandwich.